Guys, can you respond in the chat box? Sunlight is coming up. What happened today? Today it is going differently. Am I audible, guys? Am I visible? Is it better now? Yes. Sir, Saturday class happened and I uploaded the document. Saturday, it's matter of few minutes, guys. Sunlight will go off, then I will be visible clearly. Don't worry. How to handle the request? How to differentiate the request? Physics in servlet component. How to differentiate the logics in servlet component when multiple hyperlinks are generating the request to single web component. When multiple hyperlinks are generating request to single web component. Generating the request to single servlet component. Yes, boss. So first of all, tell me, href wish URL go. This hyperlink generated request does not carry the data. Does not carry the data. Super, guys. Here is question mark. NO is equal to 101 ampersand. Name is equal to Rajan. Go. Tell me. This hyperlink generated request carries some data along with the request. Some data along with the request as additional request param values. As additional request param names and values. Okay. To read them in servlet component, we need to use int no is equal to what is there? Integer dot parseInt of request dot get parameter of n. String name is equal to request dot get parameter of name. Yeah, here what guys gives 101. Here what guys gives Raj. Here gives 101. Here gives 101. Here gives Raj. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Okay, boss. Now, what is our question, guys? How to differentiate the list? Now, listen. This is our browser as usually. Browser window. Super. This is my browser window. Here is my links.html file. Links.html file. Links.html file. In this links.html file, yeah, get all languages. Next, get all countries. Get all countries. Tell me. Next we have, okay, third one I want to get season name. Season name. I would like to get the current season name. That I have given as assignment. Now, luckily, we got a chance to complete here. Okay. Here is my Tomcat web server, guys. Here is my Tomcat web server. Tomcat web server. Here is my web application. What is the web application, boss? Okay, links API. CAP. Working with multiple hyperlinks. Working with multiple hyperlinks. Super, guys. Here is my servlet. That guys, links servlet. Here is my links servlet. Super, guys. All the three hyperlinks are giving request to servlet copy. All the three hyperlinks are giving request to servlet component. Number one. What is this? Number two. Number three. Number three. After that, what next, guys? Number four. This is number four. Number five. Here is the response. This is my dynamic web page. Here are my results. And as usually, hyperlinks. So 3 is missed off. No problem. We'll adjust. Here is my home hyperlink. Definitely here is my home. Okay. This is my 3, guys. This is my 4, guys. This is my 5 response. This is my 5 response. One, two, three, four, 5 response. And here is the home hyperlink. Here is the home hyperlink. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now listen how to differentiate the logic, guys. Here, links URL question mark, links URL question mark, links URL question mark. Tell me, I'm trying to pass additional request parameter, right? P1 is equal to link. P1 is equal to link. Copy this. P2 is equal to link. P1 is equal to link. Next, P1 is equal to link. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are my results and here is my home hyperlink. Here are my results, here is my home hyperlink. Got it, guys. Super. In servlet component, what we do, guys? In servlet component. Yeah, in servlet component, what we do? String P1 value is equal to request dot get parameter of P. String P1 value is equal to request dot get parameter of P1. Nice. Tell me, if P1 val equals ignore case. Equal ignore case means without case sensitivity. If P1 val equals ignore case link to equals ignore case link. Tell me here. Equals ignore case link. Logic to get all countries. Countries are languages. All languages. Logic to get all languages. Else if P1 val equals ignore case link to. Logic to get all countries. All countries. Else tell me here. Logic to get seasons. Logic to get the season. Everyone understood easy, boss? Okay. P1 is this one. Here P1, P1. Here also P1, right? Make all three hyperlinks. Make all three hyperlink. Sending additional request parameter with the same name and different values. With the same name having different values, right? Make all the hyperlinks. Sending additional request param having same name with different values. Same name with different values. Understanding my statement? Same name with different values. sending same name with the different values first. So that we can use those values as the request criteria values. Values as the criteria values to differentiate the losses. Criteria values to differentiate the loss. We can use those values as the criteria values. Those values as the criteria values. Those values as the criteria values to differentiate the logics in servlet component. In a servlet component. What did guys understood my statement, boss? Yeah. Shall we practically implement it, boss? Let's implement this practically. Switch workspace, NTAJ, how much, guys? 414. NTAJ 414. Create a project, file new, dynamic web project. File new dynamic web project. Tell me here what is that? Links app. Working with the hyperlinks. Links app working with the hyperlinks. Say next. Say next. Web.xml finish. Say next web.xml finish. Okay, boss. Let's create a package. Here is the package. com.nt.servlet. Okay. Let's add the HTML file. Links.html. 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 Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Working with multiple hyperlinks. Working with multiple hyperlinks. Color column red, text hyphen align center. Ahref. What is this? Ahref. Links URL. Links URL. All languages. All languages. What is that? P1 is equal to link. P1 is equal to link to. P1 is equal to link. P1 link 1, P1 link 2, P1 link. Yeah, here what? All countries, guys. Next. Here is all languages. Here all countries. Here get to season name. Get to current season name. Get to current season name. Get to current season. Yeah, I think this is the main, guys. This one, this one, this one. Got it? Here is the story, guys. The question is how to differentiate the LASK. So first of all, you try to understand locale means language plus country. Locale means language plus country. Example. FR. French as it speaks in France. FRCA. As it speaks means country to country accent will be different numbers. British accent, English accent, spells also different. In British English, we write color as COLOUR. In American English, we write color as what? COLOR. COLOR. Okay. French as it speaks. Canada. French as it speaks in Canada. DED. German. German as it speaks in Germany. German as it speaks in Germany. HIIN. Hindi as it speaks in India. Hindi as it speaks in Hindi as it speaks in India, guys. Is that clear, guys? Are you with me? Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Hindi as it speaks in US. English as it speaks in US. As it speaks in US. Okay, guys. Next one, and etc. was, and many things here. And lots of things are there, many things are there here. FR, FRCA, DEDE, HIIN, ENUS. So these are the various things that we are having now, boss. These are the various options that we are having. So here is my servlet component, boss. This is the story. This is my link 1. This is my link 2. And all this stuff. Okay, now listen. We have java.util.locale class object represents each locale. Java.util.locale class object represents each locale. Getting my point? Represents each locale. Right, boss. Locale dot get available locales. Locales. Return. Locale dot get available locales. Return. Locale class object array representing all the locales. Representing all the locales. Okay, for example, check it out. Array int array, all elements are integer. Float array, all elements are floating point values. Student array, student class object array, all elements are student class objects. Long array, all elements are long values. Getting my point? Locales array is equal to locale dot get available locales. Locale dot get available locales. Locales array is equal to locale dot get available locales. When you do this, boss, when you look at this will basically looks like this. String array, all elements are string class objects, right, boss? Java dot util dot locale class object array. Java dot util dot locale class object array. Yeah, what is the first one? Locale object. What is the second one? Locale object. Yes, boss. Here is locale object. 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 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Got it, guys? Yeah. Total, how many locale objects are there? 3 are there. Here is my 0th one. Here is my first one. Here is my second. Okay, boss. Now listen. Okay. For locale L colon locales. Locale L colon locales. Locale L colon locales. Tell me. System dot out dot println L dot get display country. Alright, it will give each country name now, boss. L dot get display country. Yeah, country name completely comes. Display country means complete country name, not shortcut INFR, not INFR. Complete country name will come. Okay, India, France, like this. L dot get display language. So complete language name will come here now, boss. Here the complete language name will come. L dot get display language, complete language name will come. Clear, guys? Got the clarity? So you need not to hard code languages in the world. You need not to hard code countries available in the world. We have ready-made classes which we are capable of doing that job. We have ready-made classes who are capable of doing that job. Understanding my statement? We are ready-made classes who are capable of doing all these things. Tell me. Gives all countries and languages. gives all the countries and languages. Gives all the countries and languages. Super. Shall we go to next level discussion? New class. Links servlet. Super class is what? HTTP servlet. Links servlet, HTTP servlet. Copy these guys. Save paste. Public class link servlet extends HTTP servlet. Okay. Now, I know that hyperlinks, these requests are always generate what? Get mode request. But on safe side, we make our servlet ready to process both get and post mode request. In that process, what we do, guys? Do get. Here is do post. One place do get, one place do post. Here is what is there. Public wide do get, public wide do post. Yes, request response. Here also request response. Yes, boss. Yeah, call do post, do get from do post. Request to comma response. Read additional request param value. Read additional request param value. Request dot get parameter of what, guys? Request dot get parameter of P1 val. P1 only. Super. Request dot get parameter of P1. Okay, now let's see, guys. What I'm going to do here is locales array is equal. Locale dot get available locales. Write the business logic. Write the request processing logic. If, tell me, if P1 val equals ignore case, equals ignore case. What is that? Link 1. P1 val equals ignore case link 1. If P1 val equals ignore case link 1, guys. Tell me, guys, here what I, okay. Our regular 2 lines of code will be there now. Get print writer stream object. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get write. Set response content type. Okay, res dot set content type text slash html. Text slash html. pw dot println h1 style color colon red or green. Text hyphen align center. All languages are end of the H. All languages are end of the H. Okay. Green spell mistake, let's correct it. Okay, guys, all languages are this. Here what I do, my dear, For enhanced for loop, I am taking locale L colon locales. I'm going through the R. Super. Here, pw.println. O L dot. Tell me. L dot get. Yeah, first one is what? Language, na? Get display language. L dot get display language. End of the bold tag. L dot get display country. Close open bold tag, closing bold tag. Open bold tag, closing bold tag. If condition open and closing. Else if display language, I'll keep some comma above. Horizontally they will. Else if P1 val equals ignore case linked. Equals ignore case linked. Save list. All countries are. All countries are. Tell me. Get display language. Get display language. Here is my if condition, guys. Here is my else block, guys. Else. Yeah. Here get season name. We need to print the season name. Okay. How to print the season name, guys? Get system date and time. Yeah. What is there? Local date time. LDT is equal to local date. All these are ready-made classes only, boss. I think we already discussed about this now. Yes. Try to get the month. Get current month. Into month is equal to LDT dot get month. LDT dot get month. I think get month value is the correct method. Get month value is the correct method. Yeah, it gives 0 to 11 or 0 to 1 to 12. It's perfect. Okay, perfect, guys. Now tell me, if month greater than or equal to 3, month greater than or equal to 3, and month less than or equal to 6. Okay, array March to June, summer season na boss. pw.println H1 style color colon red. What is that? Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. What season, boss? Summer season. Summer season. Okay, summer season also string only. Summer season. H. Summer season plus H. Color colon red, text hyphen align center, summer season this. Else if month less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 6. Month greater than or equal to 6. Come on, guys. Month greater than or equal to 6. 6 or 7? 7. 7. Next one. Month less than or equal to 11. 10 or 10. Okay, 10. Where is this, guys? What is this? Rainy season. What season was? Rainy season. Yeah, remaining everything else. Okay, we will take red color for rainy season. For rainy season, what is the blue color? Water blue, right? Else. Summer season. Sorry. What is that? Winter season. I think for winter, green is the better option. End of the else. Add home hyperlink. Text hyphen align center, right now? Color colon green, text to T. T. Good observation. Add home hyperlink. pw.println, guys. H1 style. Color colon green. Text hyphen align center. Color colon green, text hyphen align center. Okay, guys. href. Where is that? Links.html. Oh my God. Oh my. Super nice. Close stream. pw. Close stream pw. Close stream pw. Close stream pw. Close stream pw. Array, do post is calling, do get na? Called, already called. I think perfect. Initially it looks very great thing, but now it is easy now, boss. Anything great. Super. When you spend time, things becomes easy, right? Display name is optional, guys. Welcome file. I'm taking links.html as the welcome file here. Links.html is the welcome file. Super, guys. If you learn in a proper order, everything is easy. Servlet. Under this, what is this? Servlet name. What is that? Links. Servlet hyphen class. com.nt.links servlet. Next. Servlet mapping. Servlet name links. Next, URL pattern /links URL. URL pattern /links URLs. Got it? Links here, links here. This is the URL. This is the URL pattern. Links app working with hyperlinks first. Run on server, say next, remove all, finish. Okay. Remove all, finish. Okay. I think how many hyperlinks have come, guys? 3 hyperlinks have come, right? All languages, all the languages in this world has come. Interesting. We are not writing any code. All countries in this world has come. Okay. Just search for India. No India anywhere. Reverse. Okay, we'll change it. Acha, here India won't be there. Huh? Okay. In the previous one, we have to search for India. Yeah. Coming now, boss. Are in my. Got it. Yeah. If you want to make them unique, store them in set collection. When you store them in set collection, what happens, guys? Duplicates will be eliminated. When duplicates are eliminated, what happens? So you will get unique country name. Unique languages and unique country names are not. No, we'll change the order. We will change the order. What is there? The links servlet, guys. Links servlet. No, title is different. Actually, we are writing right. Display country, I said. It's my mistake only. Display languages. Display language. Display language. Yeah. Next. Display country. Right click. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. All languages, all countries, get current season name, winter season. Things are coming nicely. Check it out. When you click on hyperlink, what happened? Link. Countries coming, but India is coming for multiple times, which I didn't like. I want to see India only for one time. So then, shall we go for that process now? I want to display only one time. So what I do is, I don't display here. I don't display here. In this place, what I do is set string. Set string. Tell me. Set string. Lang set is equal to new hash set. New hash set off. Cool, guys. Lang set dot add. Lang set dot add was. Lang set dot add. L dot get display country. L dot get display language. So what happens, my dear? Even though duplicates are there, they will be eliminated, na? Okay. Now cut it. Now cut it. Come here. All languages are. So this time what I do was this time what I do. You know Java 8 feature for each method. Java 8 feature for each method. Anyone studied? Java 8 feature for each. Yes, can I use it? Can I use it? Lang set dot for each. Long set dot for each. Come on. Each time one country one language is coming. Here counter variable is lang. Counter variable is lang, right? There, tell me. pw.println, lambda expression. pw.println. What is this? Lang semicolon. pw.println lang semicolon. pw.println lang semicolon. This is version 1. It works. It's not like that it won't work. Version 1. Version 2. Array, inside that only single line is there, na boss? Inside this single line is there. I think I can take without flower bracket kind of thing. Let me have a look on this. Even this is possible because single line, na, we can remove flower bracket, right? Single line, because of this, we can remove flower bracket. We can happily remove flower bracket, right, boss? And a lot of options are there. Next. Lang dot. Lang set dot for each. Okay, directly we can use static method reference. Remember? System colon out dot println. Enough. This will print the languages. This will automatically print the languages, right, boss? This is what? System dot out dot println. This is method reference, boss. Method reference operator. Method reference, constructor reference, right? Okay. Yeah, here what I am using? Java 8 for each. Java 8 for each with lambda expression. Lambda expression. Lambda expression. Okay. Java 8 for each with static method reference. Static method reference. Okay, if you feel all these are new, okay, while teaching, when you are learning core Java, Java 8 feature, please be alert. Please be more alert because there you study all this stuff. Got it? Super, guys. Copy this, my dear. Here, what should I do now? Here, what should I do now? Locales, pw.println l.display country. This is cut, paste. Here, tell me, set string. Set string, tell me, countries set. New has set off. New has set off. Okay. Listen here. Countries set dot add. Countries set dot add. Tell me here. L dot get display country. L dot get display country. Super, guys. Tell me. Countries set dot for each. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. All countries are this. So this is my link servlet. This is my links.html. This is my link servlet. Comfortable, guys? Getting my point there, guys? L colon locase, guys, country set dot L dot get display country. Super. This dot println all countries. All countries are. Here is my do get method. Here is my do post. Here is my do get method. Here is my do post method. Here is my class. Here is my class. Links servlet dot jar. Links servlet dot jar. Nice, boss. Now duplicates will be avoided now, boss. Simply duplicates will be avoided. Where is this? Okay, all countries are system dot out dot println. Let's put this message before. Let's put this message before. Okay, guys. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. All languages. No languages are coming. Why so? I will tell what's the reason. I will tell what's the reason. I'm excited. Actually, system.out.println I kept it. Because we don't need system.out.println. And in the static, pw.println is not a static method. So I don't have luxury to use this feature, Babu. I'm just excited to show the feature, but I don't have a luxury because I want on the browser, not on the console. So I have to use this one, at least this one, right? Copy these guys, paste. Java 8 for each with lambda expression. Here is my countries dot set. Countries dot set. Countries, CON. Countries dot set. Here I will say country. Here I display country. Here I display country. Nice. Why problem? What's the problem? Set countries, set countries. Okay, cool, guys. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Okay, now what's happening? Yeah, select it, finish. Now it's perfect. Now it's a perfect, guys. All languages, guys, no duplicates, no duplicates. Let's see Hindi is available or not. Hindi has come now, boss. Only one time. All countries, guys. India is there or not? Okay, India is different. Indian Ocean is different. India only one time. India only for one time. Indian Ocean territory is different. Okay. Current season name, winter season. Observe here. Yeah, while learning collection, you tell that what is need of collection, where we use collection. At least today you got idea where we use collection. Simple use case of use. And set does not hold duplicates. What's the advantage of not holding duplicates? You understand? You convinced, guys? What's the benefit of not holding you duplicates? How it can be used? in a particular situation. You got the clarity, boss? So that's why in core Java, you just study theory. That's it. Where to use, how to use, where exactly they will be used in the project development. That knowledge really comes when you go for what? Frameworks and advanced Java. Frameworks and advanced Java. Okay, sometimes while learning certain concepts of core Java, you'll be feeling why I'm learning. Why I'm learning multi-threading, why I'm learning exception handling, why I'm learning collection. Because there you'll write only POCs, proof of concepts. How to add, how to remove, how to delete. But where to, why we are adding, why we are removing, why we are deleting, at least now you realize it today. At least some part you realize it today. Collections are very, very important, boss. Okay. Yeah, here is my links.html, guys. Links.html. Here is my links.html. Here is my links servlet. Here is my links servlet. Links servlet.java. Here is my links servlet. Here is my web.x. What are the important areas I should highlight, guys? This one, this one, this. Okay. Here is my P1, guys. Right. This is a link one. Equals ignore case link. Equals ignore case link two. Here is the else. Here is the else block. And here is my hyperlinks. Yeah. This logical view name, this logical. Matching na, both are matching na, boss. Perfect. Both are matching perfectly. Here is my links. Got it? Assignment, guys. Are you responding for assignments? Okay. Differentiate logics for multiple hyperlinks in single servlet component. In single servlet component. Understanding my statement? Can we print output in the separate HTML file? Array, why output will be there in HTML file? It will be there on the browser now, boss. Can you think? Are you using your common sense, Rakesh Kumar? Rakesh Kumar Kurra. Sometimes you'll ask out of sync questions. We are printing output on the browser now. Are we printing any file? Are we printing in any file? No. Then where is the question of separate file? Yeah, if you want, you can download the output as a file. We can download the output of the file. Wait until I Wait until I launch file downloading concept. Differentiate the logic for multiple hyperlinks in servlet component. Yes, guys. The links are like this. Okay. This is my web page, guys. This is my web page. Okay. Here I should get wish message. When I click on it, I should get wish message. When I click on it, I should get season name. I should get a season name. When you click on third hyperlink, not compulsory. Every time you should give. Every time you should give. Okay, 3 hyperlinks. You may take 2 hyperlinks. You may take 10 hyperlinks. That's up to you. That's up to you, right, boss? Okay, guys. You should give me terms and conditions about us. When you click on it, information about the current company should come. Information about us should come. About company, current company should come. But all are giving request to same servlet component. All are giving request to same servlet component, right? This is the assignment. If we take the submit button with name and value, with name, if you take the submit button with name, then the name of the submit button goes to browser, goes to server as a request param having the caption of the submit button as the request param value. Caption of the submit button as the request param value. Okay, guys. Caption of the submit button as the request param. Request param and request caption of the submit button as the request param value. Okay. Caption of the submit button request param value. Here is my 10,000, guys. Super cool na, guys. Caption means what? That you don't know button submit button caption. What is this is called? 1 minute. Print. What is this called? Caption na? Murali Krishna. Without knowing this, you completed engineering, my dear. Sorry to say this word. Caption. What buttons will contain? Label. Okay. In your language, label. Label of the button. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm writing correct word. Label. Okay. I think caption is also right terminology, right? Label of the submit button as request parameter value. Okay. Now listen carefully, guys. Input type is equal to submit. Name is equal to S1. Value is equal to send. Value is equal to send. Tell me, guys. Sends. S1 is equal to send as the request param value. Sends S1 is equal to send as the request param value along with the request. Along with the request. So use request dot get parameter of S1 to get submit button caption S1 in servlet component. To get that submit button caption as the request param. To get that submit button caption as the request param. Okay, guys, what should I do? This is in form page. This is in form page, boss. This is in servlet component. This is in servlet component. This is in servlet component. Okay. String S1 is equal to request dot get parameter of S. Okay, fine. Yes. String caption is equal to. Now gives what, guys? Gives send message. This is in form page. In form page, there is no name for the submit button. There is no name for the submit button. If there is no name for the submit button, then what happens, guys? If there is no name for the submit button, then what happens, guys? The submit button caption will not go to server as request param value along with the request. Along with the request. Got it, boss? The submit button caption will not go to server as request parameter value along with the request. So in servlet component, how you read? You don't have anything to read also. Because if name is there, I would have read with name S1, right? I would have read with name S1, but right now that is not there. Right now that is not there. Come on. Are you getting my point here, guys? You want to feel this one practically? Go to any other application, go to any other application, country APP, no, water APP application, you see this, guys. Can we read with type? With type, we cannot read. Only with name we can read. So submit button don't have caption, right? I'm sending what mode request? Get mode request. Submit button don't have caption, right, boss? Right click, run on server, say next. Say next, remove all, finish. Okay. Finish, okay. Raja, Rani, address Hyderabad. Look at this. Submit button caption is coming as query parameter value in the request. As request parameter value in the request, not coming. So just a minute. Same code, guys. Same code. Input.html. Here I will take name is equal to yes. Here I will take name is equal to yes. Here I will take name is equal to yes. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish, refresh. Raja, Hyderabad, 30. Click on. Yes, one is equal to check voting eligibility. This message is coming or not? Yes, one is equal to check voting eligibility. This message is coming or not, boss? Yes, one is equal to check voting eligibility. This is coming or not coming, boss? So definitely it is coming or not, boss? Convinced with me, boss. So that means it is coming in the address bar means definitely we can read in servlet component. Definitely we can read it in servlet component. Yeah, keep this point in mind. And tomorrow's class is entire basically on this point. Tomorrow we are going to design some application based on this point only seriously. Okay, where is this? 5:30 p.m. guys. Classwork guys. Yeah, what is that part 2 now? This is not 5:30 p.m. now. Reverse is different, right? Actually 4 only. Part 2, edit. Someone saying that how to make servlet component ready. I think Saturday class, this one only, na boss? Okay. Saturday, this one only. Browse. Someone is not able to recognize which class material is uploaded or not. Keep your focus, my dear. Handling multiple hyperlink requests. Class is there, guys. Tomorrow, Karthik Purma, still class is there. Okay. All right, boss. Thank you, boss. Have a nice time, guys. We will stop here and we will continue from tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.